everyone. I know it's been a while since the last time I vlogged, but I just wanted to update you guys. Kind of big life update, but I moved back into my college apartment, so I'm currently in Westwood, LA right now. But I wanted to do another college vlog, so I am back again, and I decided I would combine it with what I would eat in a week as a college student because I don't know, I just feel like it would be helpful for some of you who are also living away from home and need some ideas on what to eat or cook. So yeah, I am going to vlog this week, but right now it is 11 a.m. Monday and I am about to start work, so I'm gonna be working and then I will take you guys along with me when I take my lunch break. So I just finished my work and I am on my lunch break right now, and I'm actually gonna go get Chipotle with my apartment mates, and I'm super excited because I love Chipotle and I haven't had it in like a couple weeks now, so I'm starting to crave it again. But yeah, there is a Chipotle near UCLA, so we're gonna go there and get some food. But I am excited, and I think I'm gonna eat it for both lunch and dinner and just split the bowl in half. But yeah, that is the plan for today.
Is there something after there's nothing to say?
I got extra rice after Yes. Oh my, the block. That's good.
This is what I was craving.
Jada's bomb. Hey guys, so I just finished work and I'm actually about to take a quiz for a class. I have like a bi-weekly quiz for one of my econ classes, so I'm just gonna take that right now and then hopefully eat dinner after that and finish my Chipotle. Hey guys, good morning. It is Tuesday. I am about to go exercise right now because I just love working out in the morning and I just feel super productive when I start my day off with working out, so I always exercise in the morning. But yeah, I'm just gonna go lay out my yoga mat in my living room and do some videos. Hey guys, so I'm about to start class right now, but I just got my Trader Joe's yogurt. I usually don't eat breakfast, but I have been really loving this yogurt from Trader Joe's, and I really like their mango and peach flavor, so it comes in one pack, so I always get that. But yeah, it's just so creamy and so good, so I have been eating these like every day. 12:19, but I just finished lecture and I'm gonna go make lunch right now. I usually just make food and eat it at home. Yesterday when I went to get Chipotle, that was kind of a special case because I usually don't eat out a lot. So I will show you guys what I make today. Honestly, not too sure yet what I'm gonna eat, but I did buy some veggies from Trader Joe's, so I'm probably gonna cook those and eat those. Okay, so for today, I think I'm going to cook some of my veggies from Trader Joe's. I just got Brussels sprouts and yellow squash. And then I'm also gonna cook these chicken sausages from Trader Joe's as well. These are the sweet apple flavor, and I love sweet apple sausages. They're just so good. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna eat this on the side. So I just made myself a quick smoothie before I start my 2-hour class because I figured I would need something just to drink to stay awake during class. So I made this smoothie and I just blended frozen berries, milk, and a little bit of syrup together, and it's super bomb. Like, it's so good. As you can see, I decided to make some pasta for lunch. I just took whatever I found in my fridge, so I chopped up some apple sausages and some tomatoes from Trader Joe's, and I just decided to make those into a pasta. And as you can see, I was super sad because I burnt my pasta, being the noob I was at cooking. But yeah, I just stirred those together with some oil and some garlic salt, of course, because it just makes everything taste really good. And it actually turned out really well and yummy, even though the pasta was burnt. So yeah, this is what I ate for lunch. Hey guys, it is Thursday morning, which means it's time to exercise. So I'm gonna go and do some exercises and videos. But yeah, I usually work out every other day because I shower every other day, and for me, like when I shower, I need like a reason to shower, which is working out. So that's pretty much why I work out every other day, so I can match it with my shower schedule. I'm gonna go work out, and then I kind of have a busy morning. I have to enroll in my classes I also have a meeting for work, and then I also have class in the morning, so I have a couple of things to do in the morning. So as you guys can see, I'm doing my favorite ab video again, and I actually had to enroll for classes in the middle of my workout, which is why I look super out of breath, but I did end up getting the class that I needed, so I was really happy. But after that, I just had my favorite Trader Joe's yogurt, and then I had class. And for lunch, I had pasta again, and I'm starting to realize that a lot of this video is me eating pasta, but that is what I had in my pantry, so I just used it. But yeah, basically I just chopped up some Brussels sprouts and cooked them again, and then I also made some pasta, and I decided to use the shrimp that I got from Trader Joe's. I just did the same thing I did for yesterday's lunch. I cooked them together with oil and garlic salt, and it's super easy, but it makes your pasta just taste really good without using a sauce, so highly recommend if you don't really have that many ingredients at home. And I ate my lunch while watching New Girl, which I've been rewatching, but if you guys have any new show recommendations, please let me know, because yeah, I've just been rewatching New Girl after finishing it because I loved it so much.
Oh,
How is it, Alice?
I'm so
Yay!
I'm gonna show you guys a life hack
That no one asked for. Yes. What is your life hack?
I don't have a lighter right now, but I want to light this candle. So
Oh. Wait, is that pasta?
yes, it's a pasta nude.
A nude.
A nude.
Oh, this is a life hack? Oh. Oh, whoa. It's
That's right. That's right.
That's a pretty cool hack.
Thanks. Elaine does this to her pasta every time she eats, so.
No! How dare you?
Ta-da!
Alright guys, for Friday's lunch, I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest meal that you could ever make. This is perfect for when you have no time to cook food, and yeah, I ate this a lot when I was a child. It's super easy to make, but it tastes super good. Basically, you just fry an egg, and then you add soy sauce and sesame seed oil to it, and that's pretty much it. And you just put it on top of rice, and I like to kind of mush the egg in and kind of mix it with the rice, but it is so simple, but it tastes really good. And then for dinner, I just had some egg rolls from Trader Joe's. It was my first time trying this, and it was super easy to make. You just basically put it in an oven for a couple of minutes, but the taste was pretty okay. I think it was a little too herby for me, but overall the taste was pretty good, and I just had it with sriracha and some tomatoes. But that's pretty much what I eat in a week. A lot of Trader Joe's stuff, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time.